Welcome to the future. Homes like we know them are passé. The homes of the future will be fully automated. Here's a glimpse of all the possibilities. This door handle here senses your fingerprint. You can now secure your home in 5 different ways with our Atrio digital door lock. Mood lighting is now also voice controlled. Open your curtains with a single touch through Hogger Touch Panel series. Say goodbye to boring switches and switch to smart and enhance your binge watching experience. It's never easy to manage all your remote controls in your home for your TV, for set-top box and even for your AC. Control everything with a single mobile app on your smart devices. All your favorite channels are just a tap away. With Hogger, your room can now change colors. And not just that, take control of all the lights in your home with our smart IR controllers. Monitor who is at your doorstep in real time with Hogger's video doorbell Bella and smart security camera Cody. And you thought home automation was all about switches? All said and done. This video is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. With a wide range of products like smart touch panels, smart security solutions, smart retrofit modules, smart curtain motors and smart controllers. Experience the future with us by visiting our experience center